Hello friends, now we are going to start a new topic, lines and angles for class 7th. This is exercise 5.1. The first topic I want to introduce with you, complementary angles. Complementary angles. Complementary angles, and the second thing is supplementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by complementary angles? If the sum of two angles, is 90 degree, then these are called complementary. Then these are called complementary angles. Like 60 plus 30, it will become 90 degree. 70 plus 20, it will become 90 degree. So 60 degree and 30 degree are two complementary angles. Complementary means whose sum is 90 degree. 70 plus 20, these are also complementary angles. So we will say one angle is the complement of the other angle. Like if I want to find the complement of 60, complement of 60 means कि 60 में क्या ऐड करें कि 90 बन जाए. So 30 is the complement of 60 and 60 is the complement of 30. Is it clear? One angle is called the complement of other angle. I am again repeating it. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum is of 90 degree. Come to the supplementary angles. If the sum of two angles is 180, then these are called supplementary angles. Supplementary means whose sum is 180 degree, like 150 degree plus 30 degree, 100 plus 80 degree. So 150 degree is the complement of 30 and 30 is the complement is supplement. 150 is the supplement of 30 and 30 is the supplement of 150 degree. Okay, one angle is given there and we need to find the complement or supplement of that angle. We will find that. Our first question is question number 1 of exercise 5.1. It is 20 degree. degree. They are saying find the complement of these angles. Find the complement of these angles. Okay, first angle is 20 degree. So how will we write? Given angle is equals to 20 degree. We need to find complement. What is complementary angle is equals to, बच्चे sum of complementary angle is 90 degree. You know it orally. The 20 में क्या add करेंगे कि 90 बने 70. So how will we find 70 degree? Complementary angle is equals to 90 degree minus given angle. टोटल हमें 90 चाहिए, तो 90 डिग्री में से वो माइनस कर दो तो हमें नेक्स्ट वाला 20, that is 70 degree. So 70 degree is the complement of 20 degree and 20 degree is the complement of 70 degree. Say in the similar way, we can do the question number this part 2. It is 63. So given angle will be 63. So we need to find its complement. So what will we do? 90 minus 63 and we will get the answer. In the same way, we can also find the supplement of the angles. This is the question number 2 of exercise 5.1. Question number 2. Find the supplement of the following angles. We need to find the supplement. Sum of supplementary angles is 180 degree. So write given angle is equals to 105 degree. We need to find the supplementary angles. Supplementary angle is equals to 180. In case of complement, we write 90. And in case of supplement, we write 180. 180 minus given angle 180 degree minus given angle is 105. So answer will be 75 degree. 75 degree is the supplement of 105 and 105 is the supplement of 75 degree.